Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to fix a stain in your clothes when you have that one black sock that sneaks its way in there and ruins your shirt. It's not actually ruined, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so you can see all the dark marks on my shirt here. Had that pain in the neck black sock or whatever get in there and kind of mess everything up. So this is actually a really easy fix, and it only requires two things that I'm sure you probably have around your house right now: vinegar and baking soda. First step is we're gonna soak this fabric or the material in vinegar for at least an hour. It can be longer, it doesn't matter if it's longer, but you need to let it soak and thoroughly sit in the vinegar, just vinegar, for 1 hour at least. Just make sure it's completely saturated. Kind of smells. But it will save your clothes. It's soaking it right up. Okay, we'll let that sit there for at least an hour. I'm gonna go work out. For you guys, it'll be just like a second, and I'll come right back and show you the next steps. All right, I'm back. It's been a couple of hours, and now it is time for the next step. So it's a little harder to see the dark spots now because the fabric's wet. So all you do is take a little baking soda, sprinkle it directly on the stains, and use a soft toothbrush or any kind of soft brush and just scrub it. And they should really start lifting right out. And that is really all there is to it, except for washing it one more time to get that lovely vinegar smell out of your clothes. So it's just gonna form a paste. This shirt was very absorbent and soaked the vinegar right in. Usually it's a little wetter than this. But just that combination of the vinegar and baking soda will lift any stains out of any fabric. It's best, of course, if you catch it while out of the washer and you don't dry it first. But I have had things that I've dried before I realized there was a stain on it, and it'll still come out. You just may have to work at it a little bit harder. So I'm going to finish scrubbing all these spots and then throw it in the washer, and I will show you guys the finished result. All right, guys, so as you can see, the stain is gone. So the next time you get that, annoying black sock or red sock or whatever in your laundry and it messes something up, now you know that it's not really ruined. It's an easy fix. And now you know what to do. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.